I really think that OpenAI's Harness Engineering blog post will be looked back on as one of the defining early texts of agentic engineering, the kind of foundational piece people revisit to understand how the shift in software development actually began. After building a shipping and real product with millions lines of code and zero manual written code, what they admit is just as important as what they solved. So far, the strategy works through internal launch and adoption with real users, real feedback, and real production constraints that force the system to mature beyond the demo. But they are clear about what they do not yet know. They do not know how architectural coherence will evolve over the years in a fully agent-generated system. They're still learning where human judgment, an overused term lately, adds the most leverage, and more importantly, how to encode the judgment so it compounds via agents instead of staying tribal knowledge. They also do not know how this operating model will change as models become more capable over time. What has become clearer is that software demands discipline. That part has not changed. What has changed is where the discipline lives. It's less in a handcrafted code and more in a scaffolding and tooling, in feedback loops that keep the system consistent. Their hardest problems now are not syntax or implementation details. The hardest problems are designing the environment and control systems that help agents build and maintain complex, reliable software at scale. If agents are going to take on larger portions of the lifecycle, these questions become central. Not how fast can a model type, but how well can we design the system it operates inside. And that feels like the real shift underway with agentic engineering. So let's go learn and build.